here with another Chop City performance video today. And we're here with my boy Nathaniel, Josh Perez.
Yes, sir.
My girlfriend Abby. Right behind the camera is my boy Rico. And you know, we're here at Truck Nationals, Houston Raceway. Be a lot of badass trucks. We're gonna film a badass video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna see you guys at the track. Truck Nationals. Badass trucks right here.
I'm over smooth as news. Bullets and runners, you fool. Don't feel like tying my shoes. Yeah, just sway. Yeah, I got big racks. Yeah, don't need no chick tags. Yeah, so much cash I brag. Yeah, don't come around my bags. Yeah, even word is sad. Yeah, you keep getting mad. Yeah, I keep getting wrecks. Yeah, my life is great. Diamonds, frosted flakes. Yeah, young go big. That looks on my case. You might die today. It's confident, it's not trace. Yeah, getting too much cake. I don't almost safe. Yeah, I'm getting too much cake. And I drop that Russian cream, cause I want all smoke. And you can go and ask your she gon' tell you living, yeah, you already know. My life is great, no time for fake, no time to play. This king like you just ain't stay in your place. Back up to the face, my heart start racing. Get this to ya. Pull up with it and let it cut like a baby. Y'all came from my big mud, now they will give me a club. Yeah, chillin' with my thugs, on stage with them. Play, you know what's up. Pull up in it, what the fuck? They like this, I call a truck. My life is great. Diamonds, frosted flakes. Go ape. And that's on my case. You might die today. It's got it's not tricks. Yeah, getting too much cake. My life is great. Diamonds, frosted flakes. Go ape. And that's on my case. You might die today. It's got it's not tricks. Getting too much cake. Safes. Yeah. All I can do.
Right lane, 100%. Still right, left lane, got it.
Flexing on you in your groove. Cause they give it the boo. I gotta go, gotta move. I'm a real smooth dude. Bullets and runners, you fool. Don't feel like tying my shoes. Yeah, got true drop swag. Yeah, I got big racks. Yeah, don't need big chick tags. Yeah, so much cash I brag. Yeah, don't curb about my bags. Yeah, even word is sad. Yeah, you keep getting mad. Yeah, I keep getting wrecks. Yeah, my life is great. Diamonds cross my face. Yeah, go ape. And looks on my case. You might die today. It's confident, it's not tricks. Yeah, getting too much cake. I go for more sauce. I'm getting too much cake.
Who is it? Midnight. Sunrise.
Shout out to Chop City for showing up and seeing us fucking up the Chevy.
I was about to go ask Tiny. Go.
What's up, your boy Tiny? We're here at Truck Nationals 2023, and I want to give a special shout out to my boys, Chop City. That's what it is.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Guys, we're gonna go tell On the Gas Beto from On the Gas to do it, so we're gonna do this too.
All right, guys, we're about to go race on the gas.
Oh, y'all could have been on the diesel with that 250.
On the diesel.
On the diesel.
My fuel, you have one like this, but it's so fucking lime green.
Alright guys, so we got the Corvette, the motor's in the back.
That's live, bro.
Gotta get that 450, bro.
Cool. Go fuck the older.
Damn, y'all looking like y'all brothers. Shout out to our boys from Top City Performance out here at Truck Nationals. Get it down. We're gonna see if Crawford's gonna take it or what.
You gotta take it off.
Crawford's gonna take it.
How you feel, Pablo?
Oh, they're filming right now.
Feel good? You happy?
Yeah, my boy.
Oh shit.
Man, look, Gator, look, Gator right there.
They're talking shit right now.
Guys, Chop City Performance.
I got a year and I crashed that bitch. I just went 400. What the fuck you talking about? You've been testing that hole for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It's a brand new build. Brand new chassis. Bro, as long as you want to keep losing, bro, we're going to be here to take your money. Just letting you know. As far as you want to go, we'll be here. We'll be here, bro. You're acting up right now. Now you be pulling me to the side saying, bro, wait for me to be there. Because this right here, well, it's supposed to be me next to you niggas. Because Beto and me, he owes me money. I did because he didn't pay. Why she ask for Hardo? Ask for Hardo if the lady scratched him out when he was over there.
Oh, it's just chicken.
They might run on the track.
I gotta run it.
How much you want to race? Let's go right now. Okay. And we are going to.
Okay, turn the call. Come on.
Way behind the scenes.
Just because it fucking breaks or doesn't work, it doesn't matter. Crawfish, all those fucking passes, why you not running?
No one, I'm telling you, you'll never hear in your life. This person will talk, and I'm telling you, I swear, but you never heard someone that fucking said, Andrew said something bad about
His hands are getting close to his face.
You're free.
they're racing. I want to let everyone know we have an official, the first official branch race of Truck Nationals 2023. Little OJ, a midnight build, versus Gremlin, a Pasadena speed shot build, for 20,000 a side. Total of 40,000. It's going to happen here in a couple of minutes. You want to make your way to the
You want to go already, or do you want to follow
you
them?
can watch.
Hey, we gotta get him.
Go down this track. Alright guys, we're gonna figure out this negotiation and start the grudge race. We're gonna flip a coin for lane choice. And remind you, it's 20,000 a side, so a total of $40,000 pot going down right here. Both these trucks are 4x4. One's a Ford, one's a Chevy. One's a midnight build, the other one's a Pasadena speed shop build. There's 20,000 a side. Look, $40,000. That's 40,000 McDoubles, not including tax. Little OJ over here is a Coyote twin turbo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clear the lanes. There's a lot of money in the line here, and we don't need people.
Shout out to all my people from Chop City Performance from here, from Houston, Texas. On the gas, baby.
Appreciate it, bro. All right, right here, from the dip right now. Gonna go get something to eat, but later on we're coming back. We got our wristbands. We're all coming.
Let me step up right quick. Step up in there.
Chop City VIP lounge right here.
Oh, that's Static Leo right there. Static Leo. Swear to God, that's Static Leo right there. Hurry up, go.
We're going off, buddy.
Pull up the window, damn fuck. All right, Pablo. So, what are your thoughts for right now? Like, how you feeling right now, man?
I'm feeling good, man. You know, got some big people to shout out. Chop City Performance. Feels good, you know. And I just know one day I'll get up there. You know, it's gonna take time, progress, but you know, you guys will see.
Young is out here. Young is out here. Ain't nobody doing it like us.
Alright, what's up, Chop City Performance, bro? Alright, so today we're gonna get something to eat right now. Well, reset that hole. We're heading to get something to eat. Hey, where are we going?
I don't know.
Alright, we don't know yet. We're at Chick-fil-A. Might get spikes. Get a picture. Thank you, shout out Chop City Performance.
Top City Performance. Very much. We're here at Chick-fil-A. Probably the 4 tenders with a large fry, some ranch. I'm gonna go grab my own sauces. I used to work here.
Peep his order, peep his order. He's one of the owners of Chop City Performance right here. Right here, man.
Oh, he works at Chick-fil-A.
Alright, let's peek his order.
Number 2, please.
Alright, so today we got Abby right here. What kind of car do you have? Explain.
So we're at Chick-fil-A right now. We're about to go test the playground. Let's go. We're about to go test into it.
Testing to him? Alright. Alright.
I ordered 47.
What'd you get?
Number 8 with the cookie parfait.
What's up? So, Abby, what do you got here today? I'm Mr. Josh. What do you got here today?
I got number 2.
Rico, what do you got here today?
So I got the spicy deluxe with pepper jack cheese and a cookie parfait.
Alright. And Nathaniel, what do you got today?
I got the number 7. I don't know what it's called, but I have no tomatoes.
No tomatoes?
Alright, what do you have, sir? What do you have?
I got 4 tenders with large fry and 5 ranches.
Alright,
Guys, now we're gonna dip right now. We're gonna head back to the track. They're gonna let us back in.
Show the sexy.
Go up.
There you go.
Oh my god. Dance, bro, dance. Wepa. Hey. Oh, yes. What?
That's all y'all get.
La.
Alright, guys. Right now, because we went through that puddle of mud right there. So right now, we're getting a car wash, as y'all can see. Got everybody in the back. 10. You can smell it. That's it, my boy. Yeah, well, we had a lot of mud on the F-250, so we had it. We'll see you guys at the track. All right, YouTube, we're back at the track, getting more cold. So, you know, I put on the extra hoodie on. Off on him.
That's what it is?
It's on the fuel. right here, if you stand right here, you get a good picture. Look.
Right.
Man.
It's off.
Mm-hmm.
That's not bad, are we?
You know, look here, and on that side, right like 30%.
You took Kobe.
I need to take a face. This guy's been like, I actually haven't heard this fucking yet. I take shit, bro.
Para subir las alturas.
I didn't want to get a dog.
You didn't want it?
That dog is like a mixed motherfucker with like 20 different dogs, bro. I still got a little bitch ass, but I like him way, you know what I'm saying? Once you
Angel, what's up? I got a seal cab right there. Austin 01 with the Cadillac conversion.
Pulling up right now. You got that vet, boy? Pulling up. Alright guys, that's the end of the Chop City performance video today. And you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys, you guys put a thumbs up on that video, subscribe, turn on post notifications.
Hey, yeah, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed that show. These dudes put on a hell of an effort to get out. Hey, yeah, bro. I hope you enjoyed that shit. Paulo put a hell of effort out to get all the people that he loves watching, bro, to get on the show. They shout him out, bro. Let's just see where this shit takes us, bro.
Alright guys, that's the video. You guys met my homeboy Angel. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see y'all next time with another Chop City performance video.